So this is a pretty standard industrial sewing machine. This is the Techsew 0302. And this machine is pretty well what most industrial machines are like. We've got the big table. Underneath the table we have the pedal control. This varies the speed of the needle going up and down. We also have, this is a leg lift, which actually lifts foot up and down, control with your leg. This model also has a speed control, so you can vary the top speed basically with the throttle, and then your on and off switch, which is pretty standard on the right side. On the top, on the right side of the machine, we have your wheel that can turn the needle manually. And this is pretty standard on most industrial machines. We have a bobbin winder. So to engage, you press that. When the bobbin's full, it'll pop off. This is the actual tensioner for the bobbin. And then you've got your dual thread holders here. One comes down to the bobbin, one comes down to the top of the machine. So this is a portable light, magnetic, that comes on or off. You can move around. Basically the needle gets threaded through this top post, through this post, around this tensioner here. And this is the main tensioner, and we'll get into that in further videos, but this can control the quality of the stitch. Comes through there, up through there. Then we have the arm that goes up and down as we sew, comes through there, through there, through this loop, and then it gets threaded through the needle. So to start sewing, the first thing, I'm going to lift the foot up, and you have to hold the thread whenever you're starting a stitch. You have to do this, otherwise the thread gets all knotted up underneath here. It causes real problems. It can even knock the machine out of timing. So you hold the thread, let the foot down, start your stitch. Okay, and then you can let go. You can snip it off. But a little trick I use is I have a number of small pieces beside the machine, and I just grab one of them. So when I'm going to finish the stitch, I run it off onto this scrap little piece here, and then I cut it off. And again, when I finish that stitch, or start it and do another one, I cut it off. So I have a bunch of pieces here. It stops you from having to hold the piece. The only time then you do have to hold the thread is when you're starting not from the edge of a piece. So for more information and how to do certain stitches, check out the other videos.